morning. Good morning.
Happy Sunday! Are you happy today? Good. Today we are gathered here in Jay's office. Me and my friends we are going to talk about book review. This is our assignment from our lecturer, Professor Sembel. And the book is, the title of the book is How to Make Money in Stocks. A winning system in good times or bad. The author of the book is William O'Neill. He is the founder of Investors of Business Daily. Hi, I'm Vision Tonga, and today we are going to do a book review. And before that, this assignment was, as I have mentioned before, this is an assignment from Professor Sembel. It's about how to make money from stocks, but this is a new thing for me because I have not done buying stocks. Of course, I have investments, but not directly like buying stocks. So I'm really new to this thing, but by reading this book, hopefully I can understand how to make money from stocks. So after this, we're going to hear what my friends say about their experience about buying money in stocks.
Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Falisha, and now I'm working in the IT Group Indonesia as an IT engineer. And for now, I studied in the IPMI International Business School in the master class for March in 2011. So my experience in financial, especially for the stocks market, on how to put your money to stocks. I don't know exactly how to do with that. So in this course of Professor Sembel, it's financial, corporate financial, is how to learn about the financial actually for you and for the company. So I will learn about how to put your money in the stocks and analyze for your money to grow. And for now, we will learn about how to make money stock book for the William J. O'Neill.
Good morning. I'm Jay Kim, and I'm working for a Korean construction company named POSCO ENC. Actually, I've lost a lot of money in stock market about 10 years ago. So I know how to lose money in stocks. So because I didn't study much and I just invest my money, the stocks which I don't know well, but I got information from someone. So that's like how to lose money in stocks. So now we read a book about how to make money in stocks by William O'Neill. So it's a kind of a video that we will review about the book, and we will tell you how to make money in stocks. And hopefully it will help for you to make money. Thank you.
One of America's most successful stock investors, William O'Neill began his career as a stockbroker in 1958. His groundbreaking study of historical big winners and market cycles helped him in formulating a winning strategy, Can Slim. In early 1960s, he turned $5,000 into $200,000 using his unique investing method. In 1963, he became the youngest person to buy a seat on the New York Stock Exchange at the age of 30. In 1984, he designed and launched Investors Business Daily, the first national business newspaper to compete successfully with the Wall Street Journal. He is also the author of the best-selling investment book, How to Make Money in Stocks. William O'Neill's fascination with the securities market led him to develop his own computerized study of what made stocks successful. From his research, O'Neill pioneered and developed the use of historical precedent to analyze equities in tandem with fundamental and technical analysis. Drawing from these discoveries, he created his own investment discipline, the O'Neill methodology, focusing on the trends and patterns of stocks as they became top performers or underachievers. He identified 7 basic factors that occurred over and over again in almost all top-performing companies as studied over 8 different market cycles and coined the investment method as CAN-SLIM. CAN-SLIM is a highly successful growth investing strategy that focuses on 7 key characteristics that have been found to be associated with a majority of multi-baggers. These are current earnings, annual earnings, new product or management, supply-demand for stock, leading or lagging stock, institutional sponsorship, and market direction. It is a unique strategy that makes use of fundamental analysis to select top quality stocks and technical analysis to time exit and entry in those stocks.
When watching, let's say, financial TV programs, you might have heard one analyst mention he's bullish and another that he's bearish. The same way, experts frequently say that a certain asset is either in a bull market or a bear market. Simply put, an asset is in a bull market when prices are going up and there's a climate of optimism surrounding it. On the other hand, if prices are going down and it seems most people are pessimistic, we say an asset is in a bear market. 3 important questions arise. 1. When are we in a bull or bear market? Well, it's not set in stone, but according to the Dow theory, we say we're in a bull market if prices have gone up at least 20%, and if prices went down 20% or more, we say we're in a bear market. 2. How long do they last? Once again, there are different theories, but broadly speaking, you can call bull or bear markets which last longer than 5 years secular and shorter ones cyclical. 3. Why are these 2 words used? It's hard to be 100% certain, but A. According to Merriam-Webster, bear was used first as of the 18th century by those who sold bear skins and said, don't sell the bear's skin before you've killed it. B. Others say the terms appeared even sooner, back in the 17th century, at the London Stock Exchange Bulletin Board, with offers to buy stocks being called bulls and the board being bear when there was a bear market. Pun intended. C. Perhaps they're based on how the 2 animals attack, with bulls thrusting their horns upward and bears slashing their claws downward. That's pretty much it.
Here we see the left side of the cup, beginning with a huge spike in volume on June 16. From there, the stock generally enters a bearish trend, and although it does stage a failed recovery, volume remains very light, until it picks up when JBL forms the bottom of the cup, the trough, the lowest point. This pickup in volume is very significant. From there, the stock has a gentle recovery and fairly light volume, all the way up until its second peak, completing the cup. Here, the stock finds resistance. Sellers who've gone through this entire roller coaster ride over the course of a couple months, and they're just tired of the action. So they sell, and this creates the handle. Now that we know what the stock has been through, that doji gives us a lot less concern. A doji is a one-day event after all, and a cup and handle is a multi-month trend. The longer the trend, the stronger. If we knew this was a cup and handle, we would have known to buy on that doji, not to sell. Knowing what you know now, you could have been confident to buy at $23.79, and in less than a year, you could have made 140% profit. All it takes is the dedication and commitment to learning charts, the language of economics, supply and demand.
So Jay, what really interests you about this book? Can you tell us about it?
Okay, actually, one of the chapters is chapter 2, how to read chart like a pro and improve your selection and timing. Actually, as we learned from Professor Roy, he told us how to read technical analysis. And also this book shows us how to read a chart and how to analyze like a pro. And when you put your money or when you sell. So this chapter will tell you when you buy and when you sell the stocks. And from not only from this chapter but also for overall the book, we learn how to approach the stock market and how not to lose money. Actually, how to win means not to lose money. Actually, that's the Warren Buffett's one of the strategy. Not to lose money. It's important.
Thanks, Jay. Now, how about you, Ifan? Do you have any opinion about what that really interests you about this book that you can do, or maybe later on you have more confidence in buying stocks in the market? Do you have any opinion about that?
Thank you, Vincent. And for me, as a millennial workers, it's very interesting. I should know about how to put your money in stocks, and this book is very interesting for all of the millennial workers is to know about how to manage their money in stocks and put their money to growth. And this book actually teach you how to find good stock using canceling that William provides method in searching for the big winners of tomorrow. And for William O'Neill teach you how when to cut loss, and for this book they teach you how when to take profits and sell the stocks. So it is my opinion about this book. And then this book teach you how to manage your money and properly allocate your portfolio for stocks. This is actually for the common workers didn't know how to manage their savings money. So after you read the book, you can learn to buy the best stocks in this sector, and you can learn about to zero in the best industry or sector groups that stocks in the best condition. So these are my opinion for this book.
So these are a wrap for our book review video. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you, Jay, for having us in our office today for Sunday. So happy watching, guys. Hope this will be benefit for you. Goodbye.
Bye.